the first 73 RD350 to the last 1975 RD350B. Yamaha's overachieving pocket rocket humiliated triples and fours, packing over twice its 347 cc's on racetracks and backroads all over the planet. Back when bell-bottoms were cool and Harleys weren't, most anybody's big bore multi rose to the road in a straight line. Horsepower was cheap, and any fool could twist a throttle. But motorcycle handling was still an oxymoron in Japan. Except at Yamaha. When 7 morning services convene at the shrine of the divine apex, street or track, all bow to the road for the proletarian canyon commando, laying down $3,000 plus for one of 1974 750 SS Stuccatus was like Led Zeppelin playing the next freshman, sophomore mixer. Very bitchin', and highly unlikely. Kawasaki's very fast, very large Z1 wore a $1,995 price tag. But a 1974 RD350 sold for $908, Moi Tv on a Schlitz budget. Racetrack handling for the masses. The RD350's street roots stretch back to February 1967, and the wire won Yamaha's first street-legal 350. But the 1970 R5 350 drew a straight line from brand-wise TR production racers to the street.